In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating a customized health plan for you or potential clients, friends, and family. So let's get into it. So for the first part of this prompt, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to act as a knowledgeable dietitian. I'm a 32-year-old male that is 5'11". And right now I'm just putting out the information so it better knows how to personalize the answer to me. So 5'11", I weigh 170 pounds. I work out 4 days a week. And I'd like to lose 3 pounds of fat a month by being in a caloric deficit. Okay, now let's put that in and see what it says. Perfect, so what it did is it gave a good overview of 6 main bullet points to adhere to hit my goals. Now what I want to do is take this a step further. So I'm going to say, now create a detailed meal plan for my goal of 2,500 calories per day. Do not include peanuts. I'm going to be allergic in this example. Do not include peanuts, onions, or lemons. And so now what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and pop out a much more detailed breakdown of what to have for breakfast, what to have for lunch, and what to have for dinner. It has the exact foods and the calories associated with those foods. Perfect. So now I have my detailed outline for 1 day of eating. So let's say that I'm at the point where I want to go and buy this food. And I can say, now create a grocery list for these food items. Now I have my purchase list, so I can go to the store, buy these fruits and vegetables whenever I'm ready. But what I want to do is I'll take this a step further as well with now create a detailed workout plan with the above criteria. So it knows my goals, it knows my specific, it knows my demographic. And now what it's doing is it's putting together a detailed weekly schedule that I can now use as a fully fledged put together workout plan, just like as if I hired a personal trainer. Now we have our detailed workout plan for the week, and you can get specific with this one as well. You can remove certain exercises or add other exercises into this. Now, lastly, what I want to do is create a schedule for the rest of my week that involves activities, work, meditating, and journaling. So create me a schedule for the week that includes time to journal, work, go to the gym, meditate, and hang out with friends. And boom, as this is still generating, we have an entire health routine to follow for fitness. We have a meal plan and we have our grocery list all made within just a matter of minutes. So I'm excited to dive into the next ability and functionalities that we can get into in the next lesson.